LifeTube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Imagine you've got all your makeup on point, but you try to apply blush and it looks bad. It happens. And don't worry, today on the LifeTube, we will teach you how to correctly put on blush or rouge the correct way. Step 1. Take blush. Smile. No, seriously. To apply it correctly, you need to smile and then apply it to the knoll that appears on your cheek. Use a blush brush to shade it. Step 2. Apply some to your eyelids using an eyeshadow brush. Step 3. Take a bevel brush and apply some to the nose and shade it. Done! You now have mastered the art of applying rouge or blush correctly. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks that professionals use. Tune in for more cool tips and tricks on the LifeTube.